Welcome to the heart of the innovation, where over 300 car dealers all over the world converge in the smart factory of Changan Automobile, one of the fastest growing automakers globally, to witness the latest advancements. I'm Vivian from Bridging News, and I'm here to present you the latest updates. This factory is specifically dedicated to producing electric vehicles. From scratch, it has been defined as a green factory equipped with 260,000 square meters of photovoltaic panels on the rooftop, capable of covering about 20% of the factory's total electricity consumption.
The economy is moved by the young people, and
Yes.
they are the future. And this is what the young people want, electric vehicles.
We are operating in the Kuwait market, and Kuwait is part of the Middle East, where there is a hot weather, so there is a specific requirement needed on the car. And Changan has proven to be the car that a customer could rely on in a hot weather like Kuwait in the market. Every year we are selling an average of 4,000 units. So yeah, we have I think more than 30,000 units, although Kuwait is a small country, but yes, we do have a very good number of cars in Kuwait, and customer loving the car as well.
People doesn't like to take so many risks, and these brands are pretty new in our region. But anyway, their feeling after they purchased and driving is very good. Changan brand image has been increasing during the last years, where we have launched like more high-end products.
How's your feeling actually in the car?
Great, really good.
Great.
Yes.
And what's your reaction actually seeing this?
I'm really impressed, and I just really wanted to sell in my country.
Oh,
Yeah.
So where do you come from?
St. Martin in the Caribbean.
Oh, it's really comfortable actually. A lot of space, a lot of good design, a lot of technology. Changan market, it's growing. I have already seen on the street really rolling so much Changan cars.
Last year, Changan ranking top 1 beyond all the brand Changan in Jordan. We already start with 2 models in Jordan, E-Star Bemben and Edo AV. And now lately we release Deepal SL and S7 in Jordan. And the sound of the market's good.
We have over 25 different Chinese manufacturers. It's actually more than all other brands in Qatar. Changan has been in Qatar since 2019. We're doing very well. Every year we're going up and up and up.
Products here are just phenomenal, so we're quite impressed. Over the next few days, we have some meetings to see if we can expand our cooperation with the Changan brand and expand to more markets within the region.